Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find all the real values of x that satisfy this cube root equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start with two substitutions. Let a be equal to the cube root of 6 plus root x, while b is equal to the cube root of 6 minus root x. Now, of course, you know that if we raise both sides of this first equation to power 3, then we have that a cube is equal to 6 plus root x. And in the same way, when we raise both sides of this second equation to power 3, then we have that b cube is equal to 6 minus root x. Now, notice that if we add these two equations, we will be able to eliminate x. On the left-hand side, we have a cube plus b cube. And on the right-hand side, we have 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. Of course, root x minus root x is equal to 0. Now, from the original equation, it is easy to see that a plus b is equal to the cube root of 3. So we have a plus b equal to the cube root of 3. The next thing we are going to do is to raise both sides of this second equation to power 3. Now, when we expand the left-hand side, we have a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And of course, on the right-hand side, the cube is going to take care of the cube root, leaving us with 3. Now, let us rearrange the terms on the left-hand side. We have a cube plus b cube plus, when you look at these two terms, you will see a common factor, which is 3ab. So we have 3ab into 3a squared b divided by 3ab is going to give us a. And 3ab squared divided by 3ab is going to give us b. Now, this is still equal to 3. But now, remember that a cube plus b cube is equal to 12. So, this is 12. And a plus b is equal to the cube root of 3. So, we can write this equation as 12 plus 3 times the cube root of 3 times AB is equal to 3. Now let us subtract 12 from both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that 3 times the cube root of 3 times AB is equal to 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 is equal to minus 9. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by 3 times the cube root of 3. This is going to cancel that, so that on the left-hand side of this equation, we have AB, and this is equal to minus 9 over 3 times the cube root of 3. Now, 3 into 9 is 3. So this is equal to minus 3 over the cube root of 3. Now we can simplify this using the laws of indices. This is equal to minus 3 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power 1 over 3. We have minus 3 to the power 1 minus 1 over 3. Of course, you know that when we divide two numbers with the same base, all we have to do is to subtract their exponents. Now, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is equal to minus 3 to the power 2 over 3. Now, at this point, remember that this is A and this is B. So when we multiply these two, we have the cube root of 6 plus root x times 6 minus root x. And this is equal to minus 3 to the power 2 over 3. Now, to get rid of this cube root, we raise both sides of this equation to power 3. When we do that, on the left-hand side, we have 6 plus root x times 6 minus root x. And on the right-hand side, we have minus 3 to the power 2 over 3 raised to power 3. Now, of course, you know that this is the same as minus 1 raised to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 over 3 raised to the power 3. Minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1. This will cancel that. 3 squared is 9. So we have that 6 plus root x times 6 minus root x is equal to minus 9. Now, you know that the product of these two factors is going to give us the difference of two squares because they are conjugates. 6 squared is 36. Root x squared is x. This is equal to minus 9. Rearranging this equation, we have that 36 plus 9 is equal to x. Now, 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. So that simply means that the only real value of x that satisfies this cube root equation is x equal to 45. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.